to another video. Today we're going to be playing the Freddy Fazbear Checkup. It's brand new. It came out yesterday. I am kind of sick, so we don't really want to go down there. But let's see what this has in store for us. 3 save files. I wonder if it's different per save.
Welcome, employee. I hope you're fantastic today. Well, you might ask why you were brought here. Today, your
Accent.
main star Freddy Fazbear has suffered serious injuries due to his last performance, and you has been selected to check to make sure that Freddy Fazbear is ready for the next
Beer.
In this tape, you will see the 5 steps to make sure that Freddy is fully working. If you are still with doubts, the security guard will help you out talking to you through the walkie-talkie. The first step is security protocols. To clean and charge him up, you will need first to turn off his security protocols. To turn off his security protocols, just press the security button and turn him off. When you hear a sound coming from his mouth, you will know that his security protocols has been turned off. The second step is clearing Freddy. This step is way too simple. Just press the spray button on your bed and wait 5 seconds. After all parts are cleaned, you can move to the next step. The third step is charge the parts. After cleaning up, it's time to charge his parts. Just press and hold to charge his parts and wait to fully charge. The fourth step is sound test. Use the sound response and see if Freddy Fazbear works correctly. If don't, make sure to mark it on your bed.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sick still.
And finally, turn his security protocols on.
But it's been so long since I uploaded. I've been sick and
After
dying
all
for
that,
so long.
Freddy Fazbear will be ready for his next show. Follow all the steps correctly and make our biggest star work again. We are counting on you.
I love the style of this game. Damn, did your braces fail or something? Holy shit.
Hey employee, we are going to check this big boy tonight to make sure he's working okay. Be sure to check the security before we start working.
Oh, this motion blur is intense. I can click here. I can click up here. S to go back. What else am I able to click on? Ooh. I don't like that endo there. It's creepy. Remember to keep our friends up to date doing the daily checkouts. I guess the video said to push his nose. Oh, I gotta press and hold. Is that the... Who is that? Maybe that's someone he killed? Okay. Did I deactivate the security protocols? Can I go to step 2?
Okay, now we should start by cleaning his parts. The VHS say to clean with your bed. However, the system is a bit quirky and with connection errors. So we're going to use the old ways. try to find a cleaning spray. Take a look around and try to find it.
Um.
Nothing yet? Okay. Try to look under the table.
Okay. Faz spray and Freddy's toes.
Oh no. The power is going crazy right now. The system is out of control. And we need to go to the generator room and restart the whole power of the pizzeria. The power is restarting now. It will take a little bit more than a minute. Hold on and everything will be fine. But take a close attention to Freddy. He likes to walk in the dark. If you see him, put a light on his face. This should scare him away. But if you heard a laugh, just look to the opposite side, okay?
How'd I die? I didn't hear anything.
The power is restarting now. It will take a little bit more than a minute. Hold on and everything will be fine. But take a close attention to Freddy. He likes to walk in the dark. If you see him, put a light on his face. This will scare him away. But if you heard a laugh, just look to the opposite side, okay?
Can I turn around? Oh, that's how that works. You'll see a silhouette. If you hear a laugh, look to the other side. That came from my right side. How long am I supposed to be looking for? Get the hell out of here, Freddy. No one wants you here. We want you back on that bench where you belong. I heard it from the left.
Ooh, much better now. What are we talking about? Oh, we need to clean this thing. Okay, now we need to charge the electronic parts. This time, we use the pad. Just hold the buttons to charge his part. Freddy will try to screw up the light when you are not seeing him. I'm able to fix it here quickly, but for your safety, keep an eye on him. He can also break the camera, but I don't think it could be that hard to fix it. Good luck, you'll be good.
Well, I hear like a sound or something. So this part's kind of like sister location, you know? That scene with Freddy? Really, dude? Can you, like, not fuck the camera up? Dang, I'm good at this. Yeah, you stay put, dude. You lose charge in this? Are you serious? Well, I noticed charge not being there, but I didn't think it'd be a gradual depreciation. Oh my god, it depreciates quick, too. Maybe I can get to 100, maybe I can get... Nope. So I ran it all the way dead. I have to wait for it to fully charge. That's a hefty penalty. How much percentile did I lose? Not much, okay. I see Carl. An Endo. I got Freddy, whatever the hell else is in there. I think you just lose like a few percent. I don't think it's a gradual thing like sister location. I think you just lose a few percent every time you're off the cam. But really though, Freddy, who the fuck did your dentistry, dog? Like, it got your braces all sticking out of your mouth. Your head thing is up. Ugh. It's not a good look, my dude. You're gonna want to get that all fixed up. I can get you registered at a dentistry. Oh yeah, he needs braces. Look at that big ass gap in his tooth. Okay, I saved it in time. Freddy's been being really good for some reason. That means you're gonna be real mean here in a minute. Oh, you can see Bonnie's skull back there too.
Now we are doing the sound response. I will say which side you put the walkie-talkie on, and I will play the sound. If Freddy does what I say, mark it yes on the pad. If it doesn't, mark it as no. Put the walkie-talkie on the left.
His left or my left? We're gonna go his left. Okay, it was my left. Definitely my left.
Now we are doing the sound response. I will say which side you put the walkie-talkie on, and I will play the sound. If Freddy does what I say, mark it yes on the pad. If it doesn't, mark it as no. Put the walkie-talkie on the left. If Freddy responds correctly, he should look to the left.
Yes.
Correctly, put the walkie-talkie on the left. If Freddy responds correctly, he should look to the right.
No.
Correctly, put the walkie-talkie on the left. If Freddy responds correctly, he should look to the right.
Nope.
Correctly, put the walkie-talkie on the right. If Freddy responds correctly, he should look still on the front. Correctly, put the walkie-talkie on the left. If Freddy responds correctly, he should look to the right. Correctly.
He actually wasn't too bad.
Okay, you did great. Now we are good to go.
Thank you, Gabriel. I will take it from here. Well, you are someone strong. Yes, I need you, but don't get me wrong, this is not a pleasure thing to do. But it is necessary. We need to stop the one who always come back. He always does. If we get to a place where he never come back, maybe we have a chance to stop him forever.
Who the hell is that?
Your agony
I'm
breaks
trying to-
through all the timelines. You are an unmarked canon, my friend. But this is for something else. You will be in peace soon. It will be quick. You won't be desolated. I will be here always with you.
I felt like I just intruded on something I wasn't supposed to hear. Was there a game before this guy made? Oh. Hey, cutie. I can't really skip this, so we're gonna sit through here. This was actually really fun. I liked it. Well, that was something. Oh. She got the lazy eye. I mean, I do too, so I shouldn't be talking. Um, what's this? Let's pop into the extras. See what's here. Characters. Dreamscape. I have not seen this dude yet. That's sweet. We'll check out hard mode in the next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed playing this as much as I have. Well, watching this in your case. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.